The future is uncertain and at times very gloomy for countless Filipinos who dream of living better lives. However, education provides that glimmer of hope that may even the odds in the harsh world we live in.
Sabi ng nanay ko, panag-aral ng mabuti, may kinabukasan kahit wala na si Itay. Todo kahit si Inay para mapaaral kami. Madaming trabaho ang pinasok niya para na makatungtong ako sa eskwelahan. Tipid mo na ako sa pagkain at maging sa pamasahe, okay lang. Basta makapag-aral para sa magandang kinabukasan ng aking pamilya.
But is education, now a cliche for some, enough to make his dreams come to life? What does he dream of becoming?
Mag-aaral ako magnegosyo para makatulong sa pamilya. Sabi kasi nila, kapag may sarili kang negosyo, mas malaki ang kikitain.
In the Philippines, businesses mushroom on street corners in the hopes of becoming successful ventures. But that's easier said than done. What if you've sacrificed everything, only to fall flat on your face when the harsh realities set in? Young students who aspire to be businessmen will continue to be ill-equipped if they would only rely on theories taught in the limited confines of their classroom, or worse, through trial and error alone. It's not enough, especially in this complex and ever-changing world of business and technology. To help solve this educational inadequacy, leading business and industrial firms in the country have joined hands to form the Junior Achievement of the Philippines Incorporated, or JAPI, bringing best business education, building business skills, actual hands-on experience. As member companies, they contributed financially and, more importantly, participated in JAPI's educational programs and various events. The concept was simple.